Action.
Today we are trying the recipe for miso-braised mackerel from the Gaijin Cookbook by Evan and Christine.
Go for it.
Okay, so to make the recipe we have some white miso, we have mirin, sake, sugar, and soy sauce. We also have half a cup of water in a small saucepan and some thinly sliced ginger, about 1 inch, and then our 2 mackerel fillets. Okay, so the first step is to slice, just make shallow cuts in the mackerel skin to prevent it from curling up while it cooks.
Okay. Send it.
Okay. I'll cut it thinner. It's more shallow next time.
More shallow?
Yeah, more shallow. It says shallow, not cut it in half.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. Maybe. So we're gonna put the mackerels now into a heat-proof container, and it tells us to simmer half a cup of water, and then we're gonna pour that onto the fish and let it sit for like 30 seconds. And this is supposed to help to render some of the fat and remove some of the fishier flavors. Okay, so we've got our hot water here. We're gonna pour it on the fish. And use a pair of chopsticks, stir it around for 30 seconds. Is that how it's supposed to work? I don't know.
Me neither.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now what?
Okay. And then you're going to transfer them to the skillet or the saucepan that you use.
Okay.
Put them in that pan.
Okay. Skin side, top or
Doesn't
bottom?
matter because you can check them. It doesn't say.
Okay. Got it.
And then we're going to make our salad. I'll just start with the water and the miso to help it mix up with everything else.
Oh, so still recording?
Yeah. Otherwise it will be too hard to mix up.
Okay. Thanks.
I was just saying to start mixing that one first.
Fine.
And then we'll mix fine and everything else.
Yes, baby.
I know I hate it.
Okay. Okay, now add everything.
Yeah.
Okay, that's mixed.
Soy, mirin, sake, and sugar all go in there. Oh, and then yeah, add the ginger too. So everything, and then you pour that over the mackerel.
Pour it over the mackerel.
Yep.
Okay.
And put it on medium heat.
Action.
Okay. And then there's this bit about the lid, which we don't have. If you have a lid that's slightly too small, use it to press the mackerel into liquid. If not, use a regular lid. Leave the pan slightly uncovered. So just leave the pan slightly uncovered, basically. And then we're going to bring to a gentle simmer, lower heat, and cook for 10 minutes, flipping the fish halfway through. That's it. The end. Serve with rice.
5 minutes is up. I have to flip this. Lid back on.
Okay, 10 minutes is up. The fish is done, looks good. So now it tells us to transfer to a plate or something, and then we're gonna top with the sauce, and we need to serve it with rice.
Action.
Okay,
Testing
let's
time.
try some now.
1 second. Air fryer's on. That's fine. Go for it.
It's pretty good.
What's the
Not bad.
verdict?
Not bad. It was really easy. I think we'll make it again.
Make it again?
Yeah. Testing, testing.
You ready? Megan's holding this really weirdly. The camera.
Just
there we
eat
go.
it. I'm not watching you eat it. Ready?
It's okay.
Can you make it again?
Maybe, but we'll tweak it here and there a little bit.
What would you change?
It's a little bit salty for me. Have to fillets. Megan, why are you laughing?